What's the meaning of concrete? Concrete. Concrete.
Concrete. Concrete. The word concrete has two main meanings. The first refers to a building material made by mixing cement, sand, water, and aggregate, which is used for construction purposes. It is a durable material that can withstand a lot of weight and pressure. The second meaning of the term concrete is used to describe something that is specific, tangible, and easy to understand. In this context, it refers to ideas or concepts that are grounded in reality and not abstract. These ideas are usually based on facts or evidence and are not vague or unclear.